Yo, what up? It's A.V3 BMX1. I haven't made a bike check in a while, so here's my bike check. With the front, I have Sabrosa Pandora bars. I don't know if you can see it right there. Sabrosa. I have Shadow grips. They're really good. Coming down, I have a FBM stem stock. I don't know. My forks, I have no fork bolt, cause I'm a G, and that's how I ride. I have Primo Kamikaze forks. My front wheel is a free wheel. I don't know which one it is, but I got it for free off my sponsorship. My tire is a dual stunner, tan wall. Coming down, I have a Verde fat capital seat. It's real comfy and shit. Have an animal post, animal C-clamp. My sponsorship sticker, TCO bike shop. I have a Animal Vinny Light Sprocket 29 tooth. I have Madeira cranks, an Odyssey twisted pedals. KMC black chain, you know, it's just a chain. Coming back, I have the dual stunner tan wall tire with the Odyssey 7KA rim, Odyssey spokes, and Odyssey V3 hub. Left hand drive, and my gearing is 29.9, and the frame is a Sunday wave frame. See the waves? It says Sunday right there. And yep, that's my bike. And I know you're gonna be like, oh, let me listen to the hub. So yeah, here. Yeah, that's enough for you guys. And that is my newest bike check. Peace.